using the number line. Now let's consider the number line there. We'll mark 0 somewhere in the middle there. On the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the left hand side are our negative numbers. So remembering, on the right hand side, positive numbers. On the left hand side of 0, negative numbers. Let's look at some examples. We're asked to evaluate, which is a fancy way of saying find the answer. Firstly, 5 minus 3. Now I started off with a very simple question there, but to show you how we can use the number line for this and for some harder ones. Well, 5, we'll start off with a 5, and then we are subtracting 3. So we move to the left 3 places. And we can see then that our answer equals 2. Okay, simple to start with. What about this one? Minus 2 then plus 5. Well, let's start with the first one, negative 2 minus 2. And then we need to add 5. So we jump 5 places to the right. So our answer there is 3. Our third example, negative 1 minus 4. So again, we start with the first number, minus 1, negative 1. And then we are subtracting 4. So we go down to the left 4 places. And that lands at negative 5. Example 4, 5 take away 7. So we start with a 5 and we're subtracting 7, so move down 7 places to the left, and our answer then is negative 2. Question 5, negative 3 plus 3. Well, this is an interesting one. Start off with the minus 3, negative 3, then we add 3. So we go up 3 places to the right, and our answer is 0. So that gives you an idea when you see numbers like that. If you have a negative and you add it to its positive self, then you will get 0. Our sixth question, negative 2 minus 3. So first one, minus 2. Then we are subtracting 3, so go down 3 down, and we are left at negative 5. Excellent. Now we'll just wipe those clear, and we're going to consider, some people find this way, using the number line up and down, okay, a vertical number line, a much easier way. Let's see how you find it. Put the 0 there in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our positive numbers are up and our negative numbers are down. So up is positive, going down is negative. So we're actually going to use the same examples we saw in the first part. So we're asked to evaluate, firstly, 5 minus 3. So we start with the 5 and minus 3. We go down 3 and our answer is 2. Example 2, minus 2 plus 5. So we start at minus 2, we're adding 5. So we go up 5. And we can see we land at 3. Negative 1 minus 4. We start with negative 1. And we're subtracting 4, so we go down 4. And we find that we end up at negative 5. 5 take away 7, so we start with the 5, we subtract 7, we go down 7, and we're at negative 2. Minus 3 plus 3, so minus 3 to start with, there we are. Then we add 3, so we go up 3, and again we're down at 0. Negative 2 minus 3. So starting at minus 2 there, negative 2, we go down 3, and our answer is minus 5. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson. Good luck with your questions.